So subject name hydraulic structure. And next question, explain the method of stability analysis of the upstream and downstream slope. And question number B, what is meant by piping in an earthen dam? State the condition under the piping is likely to occur. Third question, explain the various methods of controlling seepage through an earthen dam. So question, stability of the downstream slope during steady seepage. So the most critical condition for which যেখানে the stability of the downstream এর স্টেবিলিটির জন্য downstream slope stabilityর জন্য must be examine করা হবে ঘটবে when the reservoir is full, reservoir full থাকতে হবে, and the slippage is taking place, সিপেজটা ঘটবে at full rate, the seeping water below the fretting line exert করছে pore pressure on the soil mass which lies below the fretting line এর নিচে ঘটবে. Hence if the slice of the critical happen ঘটবে to include this submerged soil the shear strength develop করবে on those slices shall be correspondingly reduce কমে যাবে. The net shear strength on such a slice shall be C del L plus n minus u tan phi, where C is the unit cohesion, del L হচ্ছে curve length of the slice, phi is the angle of internal friction of the soil, n is the normal component of the slice, আর u is the pore pressure. Question number B, stability of upstream slope during sudden drawdown. কি বলছে, when the reservoir is full, যখন রিজার্ভার ফুল হয়, the critical region is near the downstream phase, হবে কোথায়, downstream phase. If no drainage arrangement is also steep, the fretting line may intersect the downstream slope, creating serious condition here. This can be avoided by providing drainage filter or drainage toe etc., or by broadening the base of the dam so that the head loss is great enough to bring the line of saturation beneath the downstream slope of the dam. For upstream slope ক্ষেত্রে the critical condition can occur when the reservoir is suddenly emptied, যখন রিজার্ভারটা হঠাৎ ফাঁকা হয়ে যাবে. In such a case the water level within the soil will remain as it was when the soil pore were full of water. The weight of this water within soil now tends to slide the upstream slope along a circular arc. Question number B, piping is the progressive erosion and subsequent removal of the soil grain from within the body of the dam or foundation of the dam. Piping through foundation occur when highly permeable cavities or fissure or strata of coarse sand or gravel are present in the foundation of the dam. Piping through dam body occur ঘটবে when the concentrated flow channel get developed in the body of the dam and soil may be removed in the same manner as in case of foundation piping.